Have you ever pondered the theoretical possibility of time travel? The concept has been a staple of science fiction for decades, but what if it were more than just fiction? What if someone had actually attempted to make it a reality? Enter the curious case of Mike Markham, an electrical student with a mind that dared to venture where few had dared before. In the closing months of the 20th century, a young man of just 20 years named Mike Markham embarked on an endeavor to challenge the confines of time and space. His invention? A peculiar device known as Jacob's ladder. It was not your average contraption. It bore an unusual vortex shape and was circular in design. Its function? To reduce air resistance between two poles using a modified compact disc laser. In his quest to test the effects of his creation, Mike took a sheet metal screw and hurled it through the vortex. Now one might expect the screw to simply fall to the ground, perhaps with a bit of a twist due to the swirling air currents. But what happened next was nothing short of extraordinary. The screw vanished. Yes, you heard it right. It disappeared from sight for a fleeting half-second, only to reappear a few feet away. This was not magic, nor a trick of the light. It was a result of Mike's invention, a testament to his ingenuity, but his story doesn't end there. As Mike's experiments grew bolder, so did his methods. In order to continue his work, he found himself in need of transformers. But instead of purchasing them, Mike decided to take a shortcut. He began stealing the transformers he needed, a decision that would ultimately lead to his arrest. His actions earned him a reputation. He became known as the Madman, a title that, while perhaps not entirely fair, did reflect the audacity of his dream. Mike Markham, the electrical student who dared to challenge the boundaries of time. In the end, Mike's story serves as a reminder of the lengths to which human curiosity can drive us. From inventing a device capable of seemingly impossible feats to risking legal repercussions in pursuit of knowledge. It's a story of daring, of ambition, and of the relentless pursuit of the unknown.